The Hidden Hallway. Easy English mystery story. Learn English through stories. What if you found a hidden door in your school? What if that door opened to a hallway that never ends? This is The Hidden Hallway, an easy English story for you to learn English through stories. Be careful. Some secrets don't want to be found. Characters. Alex, 12 years old, loves exploring, brave. Maya, 12 years old, Alex's best friend, smart and careful. Ryan, 13 years old, funny but nervous. Mr. Hart, the old janitor who knows many secrets. Chapter 1. The Locked Door. Alex found an old wooden door behind the art room. It was dusty and locked with an old chain. He called Maya and Ryan. "Look, this door is never open." Ryan said, "Maybe it's just a closet." Alex shook his head. "I want to know." Chapter 2. The Key. They asked Mr. Hart, the old janitor. "Mr. Hart, what's behind that door?" Mr. Hart looked worried. "It's better you don't go there," he said. Alex asked, "Is there a key?" Mr. Hart didn't answer. He walked away. Chapter 3. The Secret Key. Later, Alex saw Mr. Hart drop a small key near his closet. Alex picked it up. "Maya, I got the key!" Maya looked scared. "Are you sure?" Ryan said, "We go tomorrow." Chapter 4. The Door Opens. After school, they unlocked the door. It opened slowly. A cold wind came out. They turned on their flashlights. In front of them, a long, dark hallway. No windows. No sound. Footsteps. Chapter 5. They stepped inside. The door closed behind them. Click. Ryan pulled the handle. Locked from inside. "We're stuck," he whispered. Alex said, "Only one way, forward." Chapter 6. Strange Walls. They walked. The walls had old drawings. Animals, people, words they didn't understand. Maya took photos. Ryan said, "Who drew this?" Alex said, "People who hid here." Chapter 7. Footsteps. They heard soft footsteps. Maya whispered, "Did you hear that?" They turned off their lights. In the dark, they heard whispers. "Keep walking," Alex said. Chapter 8. The Locker Room. They found an old room with broken lockers. Inside one locker, a dusty notebook. Maya opened it. "This hallway hides the truth," it read. Ryan said, "What truth?" Chapter 9. Old Photos. In the notebook were old photos of the school. One photo showed a room with many beds. Alex said, "They kept people here." Maya said, "Why?" Ryan whispered, "Listen." Chapter 10. The Shadow. They saw a shadow at the end of the hallway. It moved fast. They hid in the locker room. The shadow stopped near the door. They held their breath. Chapter 11. Another door. The shadow left. They ran down the hallway and found another door. It had a metal sign, "Testing Room." Maya said, "Testing what?" Alex opened it slowly. Chapter 12. The Lab. Inside was an old lab. Broken tables, glass jars, papers everywhere. Ryan found a file. Test memory, subject 7. Maya said, "Did they test on kids?" Chapter 13, The Map. Alex found a map. It showed secret tunnels under the school. One tunnel led outside. "If we follow this, we can get out," Alex said. Chapter 14, Voices. They heard voices. 2 men in old uniforms entered the lab. One said, "Check the kids." Alex whispered, "Hide." They crawled behind a broken desk. Chapter 15, The Run. When the men left, the kids ran to the secret tunnel. The hallway seemed longer and darker. They heard footsteps chasing them. Ryan said, "Run faster!" Chapter 16, The Endless Hallway. They ran, but the hallway twisted and turned. It felt endless. Maya said, "It's a maze!" Alex looked at the map. "This way." Chapter 17, The Final Door. Finally, they found a metal door. Maya pushed it. It was locked. Alex used the key Mr. Hart dropped. Click. Chapter 18, Back to Light. The door opened to the old school garden. They ran outside. Cold air turned warm. They were safe. Chapter 19, Mr. Hart's Secret. Next day they found Mr. Hart. Alex said, "Why didn't you tell us?" Mr. Hart sighed. "I tried to close it forever. Some secrets are better lost." Maya said, "People should know." Ending. What did they learn? The hidden hallway teaches us. Be brave but careful with secrets. Friends together can find the truth. Some doors open lessons, not monsters. Thank you for listening to The Hidden Hallway. Use this story to practice easy English, learn new words, and remember, some doors open more than you think.